Crypto money, as we know it, has been boosting the world's economy via its decentralized structure, and various crypto entities have been made accessible for purchase. Yet, the biggest drawback is market volatility and unsecured data distribution. With the growth of technology through the NFT system, Mysten Lab has created the first permissionless layer of stake blockchain. Thus, in this video, I'll show you the Sui Crypto system and its advantages over others. Please subscribe to this channel and like the video to see the latest crypto content. Let's take a glimpse of Sui cryptocurrency. To facilitate the creation of Web3 experiences for the next billion users, Mysten Labs is developing Sui, which is the first permissionless Layer 1 proof of stake blockchain with horizontally scalable throughput and storage. Sui is horizontally scalable, meaning that it can accommodate the rapid creation of any number of applications at the lowest possible cost per unit of gas. We are in the future already, thanks to the developers behind Sui, who are working earnestly to improve the user experience by providing scalability and low latency. The Sui network was developed such that it enables programmers and artists to create specialized content for typical users. Sui Airdrop Testnet. Let's talk about Sui Airdrop Testnet. Airdropping Sui is a real possibility. This is because of the widespread distribution and usage of an airdrop's resulting content causes a significant increase in data traffic and use. The network will be well enhanced in this way. Sui is aiming to cash in on the airdrop trend after seeing the success of Aptos, the blockchain which is viewed as a spiritual brother to Sui. But Sui has made it clear that there are no preparations for an airdrop at the moment, so we can all wait. However, Wave 2 of the Sui Testnet has begun and will last for a long while. It's made available to validators, full node operators, delegates, developers, and users. I will drop a link in the description if you would like to check it out. Exploring the Sui drop zone. A necessary first step is to download and use the Sui wallet. After you have installed the extension, you may use the faucet to request Sui Testnet tokens. As a result, you will have 0.05 Sui, which is sufficient for your future business dealings. Choose both KPs, then click the Receive a free KP button underneath each one to claim it. You have successfully claimed your NFT. The Breed KPs button will take you to an evaluation of the breeding tools and options. To complete the exchange, choose 2 KPs and hit the plus button in the center. The NFT may be traded publicly after that. This area is also home to a thriving market where you may purchase and sell goods. What sets Sui apart from other blockchains? Although other blockchains usually completely organize transactions, Sui often skips consensus to do so. By causally arranging transactions, Sui is able to massively parallelize the processing of multiple transactions, which in turn decreases latency and allows validators to make use of all their CPU cores. As the complexity of Sui is pushed to the periphery, the client is mandated to participate in several stages of the protocol. This works to maintain the code of validators simpler and more efficient by reducing the number of interactions between them. To improve the user experience, Sui always provides the option for the client to transfer the majority of their processing to a Sui gateway service. Traditional blockchains, on the other hand, use a fire and forget architecture in which clients check the blockchain status to determine whether or not their transaction was successfully submitted. Sui is able to complete protocol steps immediately without pausing for system timeouts. When the network is healthy and not under assault, this drastically decreases latency. Yet, many older blockchains, including the vast majority of proof-of-work-based blockchains, rely on transaction commit delays of varying lengths to ensure the safety of their networks. Sui's efficiency may be improved by using many machines for each validator. It's not uncommon for traditional blockchains to be built such that each validator just needs a single computer. Why it's a smart move. 7 analysts monitoring NYSE. Sui shares on Wall Street all recommend buying the stock. There are now 7 analysts covering Sui, with 2 suggesting a strong buy, 4 recommending a buy, 1 recommending a hold, 0 recommending a sell, and 0 recommending a strong sell. Price predictions. So what can we expect in terms of Sui's price following the airdrop? Of course, it's impossible to predict the future with certainty, but we can make some educated guesses based on a few key factors. First, the total supply of Sui tokens is relatively small, with only 10 million tokens in circulation. This means that there will be a limited supply of tokens available following the airdrop, which could help drive up demand and increase the token's value. Second, Sui has a strong community and a growing following on social media. This suggests that there is already a significant amount of interest in the project, which could translate into increased demand for the token. Finally, Sui has a unique value proposition and a strong team behind it, which could help drive adoption and increase the token's value over time. If the platform is successful in attracting users and generating revenue, this could further increase the demand for Sui tokens. Conclusion. So what does all this mean in terms of price predictions? Again, it's impossible to say for certain, but many analysts believe that Sui has the potential to see significant growth in the coming months and years. Some predictions put the value of Sui at $1 or higher by the end of 2022, while others are more conservative and predict a value of 50 cents or less. Sui is aggressively moving forward with Testnet Wave 2 and has already started to even take applications for Wave 3. Of course, these are just predictions, and there are many factors that could impact the price of Sui in the future. As with any investment, it's important to do your own research and consider the risks before making a decision. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this discussion of Sui and its potential price predictions informative and helpful. As always, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more great crypto content, and we'll see you in the next video.